Insert the camera's USB cable into the machine's port. Connect the printer to Wi-Fi and note down the IP address. Enter the IP address in Orcus Lister or a browser. Click on Settings, Cameras, Add Camera. Fill in the name field to name the camera. You can click on Rotate by to adjust the screen orientation as needed. Finally, click Add to add the camera. You can now view the camera feed on the main page. Prepare a USB splitter. Plug it into the printer's port. Connect one to a USB drive and the other to the camera's USB cable. The printer can choose to perform time-lapse photography. The footage will be stored on the connected USB drive.